In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use different headers for each page in Google Docs. If you've ever needed separate headers on different pages, you've probably noticed that it's not immediately apparent how to make that happen in Google Docs. But don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to leverage the full potential of Google Docs to spruce up your document headers with ease. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Docs by entering docsgoogle.com. You'll need to sign in to your Google account if you haven't done so already. Once you're on the home page, open the document you'd like to edit. If you don't have one prepared, you can create a new one quickly by clicking on the blank option. Now that you're in your document, double-click on the top of the page to activate the header section. A text box will appear, marked differently from the main body of your document. On the first page, you might want to have a special header, such as the title of your paper or your name. You can set this individual header by checking the option labeled Different First Page. By doing this, you'll signal to Google Docs that you want the first page header to differ from the others. Should you require a header variation not just on the first page but throughout different sections of your document, you'll need to use section breaks. Position your cursor on the page where you wish to start a new section. Hit the Insert tab located in the top menu, and from the drop-down menu select Break, followed by Section Break, Next Page. This inserts a new section beginning on the next page, allowing you to set distinct headers. Once your new section is set up, double-click into the header area of your new section. You'll see an option called Link to Previous checked by default. Uncheck this option, as leaving it unchecked will allow you to customize the header differently than the previous section. After this, you can freely edit the header text to suit your new section's needs. This approach gives you the flexibility to personalize headers for each individual section of your document, enhancing the organizational clarity and overall presentation. Whether you're writing a thesis, a report, or simply highlighting different chapters of a novel, having customized headers can drastically improve readability and impact. That's it. You now know how to include different headers on each page of your Google Docs document. By diving a little deeper into the functions Google Docs offers, you can make your documents more impressive and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful,